Welcome students. In the previous session we studied about deriving a formula for the circumference of a circle. We derived that the circumference C of the circle is equal to pi times diameter, or it is equal to 2 pi times the radius. And here the value of pi is 22 by 7 in the rational form, or 3.14 in the decimal form. Now in this session we will derive a formula for area of a circle. The approach will be from known to unknown. Means the area of the circle means the region captured within the circle is the area of the circle, and we are going to find it as how much the area is, how much quantify it. Okay. Approach is known to unknown, means we will divide the area of the circle into small sectors, and then we will transform the circle into a rectangle without affecting the area. Means the area of the circle and the area of the rectangle formed by the sectors of the circle is same. So just by finding the area of the rectangle formed by the sectors of the circle, we can derive a formula for area of the circle. So now here we are having a circle here, yellow colored circle. Its radius is r. It has a fixed point which is the center point is not shown here. R is the radius. Okay. So as we have studied earlier, its circumference equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, means the perimeter, or you can call the length, boundary length. Okay, it is equal to 2 pi r units. R stands for the radius, the measure of the radius of the circle. Pi stands for 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, so we can, circumference of the circle is known to us. Using this formula we can calculate it. Now I am drawing diameters like this, one vertical triangle diameter, and I am drawing, as you can see in the animation, I am drawing diameters in such a way. See, I have made the entire circle, divided the entire circle into 12 congruent sectors, small sectors. Just by drawing several diameters, I have divided the area of the circle into 12 congruent sectors of the circle. Okay. To 12 congruent means they have same shape and size. Therefore, the area of the sectors will be equal. That is what it is. So now I have done them. Now I am going to color them alternatively. The sectors, now I have colored them, recolored them alternatively with blue and white. Okay. The radii constituting the sectors are colored black, and alternatively all the sectors are colored blue and white. Now what I am going to do is I am going to cut all the sectors along the radii and the arc and the center point. Okay, and then I am going to arrange all the blue sectors vertically like this. I have arranged all the blue sectors. There are 8 blue sectors of congruent area. I have kept them, aligned them in a straight line adjacent to each other without leaving any gap. Okay, and the white color sectors are now going to be kept vertically inverted in between the gaps between the blue sectors. 8 white sectors and 8 blue sectors, all are congruent, means having the same area and having the same shape and size, and so area. So now I have got a new shape. Now what is the shape got after this arrangement? Circle transformed into a rectangle such that area of circle is same as that of rectangle. I have not overlapped them. I have just kept them adjacent to each sectors are kept in such a way that it forms a rectangle, near rectangle. You may be saying it looks like a parallelogram. Here I am, just for your understanding, I have divided the circle into 16 parts only. If we 16 equal parts, instead of 16 equal parts, I can make it as 32 equal parts or 64 equal parts. The more the number of parts taken means, and arranging in the fashion I have shown you now, it will look like a near rectangle made up of the sectors of the circle. And the beauty is that the area of the circle and the area of the rectangle formed by the sectors of the circle same. Okay. So now the question is, what is the breadth of this rectangle? What is the breadth of the rectangle formed by the new arrangement of sectors of the circle? All the sectors are there. Area is equal. What is the breadth? Now, what is the breadth of the rectangle? What is the breadth of the rectangle so formed? What is the breadth of, what could that be? You will have to express the breadth of the rectangle in terms of the dimension of the circle. You see the animation, the red line is the radius of the circle. That red line now is the breadth of the rectangle got. Okay, so breadth of the rectangle is R. R is the radius of the circle. Now it is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, what is the length of this rectangle formed by the arrangement of the sectors? I am taking the half circle there. Okay, that half circle comes to here. Right half circle, semicircle I have taken. Left semicircle red, that is this, right? So therefore the brown, orange colored and red colored together form the circle, circumference of the circle, and they both are equal. Therefore the length of the rectangle formed by the sectors of the circle should be equal to half of the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore half of 2 pi r, which is equal to pi r units. Therefore the length of the rectangle formed by the sectors of the circle is equal to pi into r. Okay, and breadth is r. Now the area of this rectangle is and the area of the circle are same. Okay, so area of the circle, we are going to derive a formula for this. Therefore area of the circle is equal to area of the rectangle made of sectors of the circle. Okay, so for you will have to find the area of the rectangle. Now the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is pi times r and breadth is r. Therefore pi into r, which is equal to pi r square, square units. So pi r square is the area of the circle. So the area of the circle equal to pi r square, square units, where pi equals 3.14 or 22 by 7. This completes the derivation of the formula for area of circle. So henceforth, if we want to find the area of a circle, we need to know its the only dimension, radius, and the area of the circle is given by the formula pi times r square. Pi stands for 22 by 7 or 3.14 multiplied by square of r. Okay, thank you.